This is Audra Hicks, your Tennessee Realtor. I wanted to talk about insurance policies today. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned because I put the real in real estate. Okay, let's talk about insurance these days. With the rising cost of everything, it would be a good time. I just got our renewals in the mail for all of our vehicles and RV and things like that too. So now is always a good time to look over all of your coverages, make sure that you're properly covered because remember, I told y'all in all the videos that we lost our home and everything we owned to a house fire in 2015. So we like to be over insured now instead of underinsured for things. It comes in handy when you do have some kind of total loss or, a tornado or anything like that that you might need your insurance for. You don't want to use your insurance, but when you do need it, you want it to be right and be there for you. So, and I'm not an insurance agent. I just know what we've learned through hard knocks through the years, and how things should be. But when we moved here to our home, it's already been almost 9 years now. So we had a lower deductible on our homeowners. Well, the cost of the lower deductible versus the cost of going to a $5,000 deductible was significant. So talk to your insurance agent about that because it was so significant that over, like we went to $5,000 deductible within just maybe a year or two after moving here, and we were saving, I think it was $1,500 a year on the policy. It seemed every year. So if you add that up over the years, we've already saved more than our $5,000 deductible and lowered our premium. So, and then on the auto insurance, if you pay that outright, it will be a significant difference. It was for us, versus if you paid it monthly or quarterly or whatever you have set up. So ask your insurance agent about all of those things too. Our insurance agent, a couple of years ago, we went over it, all of our insurance and balloon policies, all that kind of thing with them. And at that time, when we were renewing all the autos and the RV with it and all of that, we asked, okay, so how much is it if we were to pay up front for all of the autos and RV versus doing it monthly instead? So she just thought it was going to be maybe a couple of $100, but it was almost cut in half because it was over, I remember it was 500 and something a month for all of that, and it knocked it down under 3. So it was a big difference. So every year now we do that. Now we're going to look over our auto policies because we've never really gotten much out of the rental when we have had a wreck or something. And there might be some things that you can tweak in there to save even more money or whatever. So go over, it's always good every year at your renewal time to call your agent. If they don't want to sit down with you and go over the stuff that they need to, and that's what they do, and explain everything to you, then you need to find a new insurance agent that will and that cares. Because, during our fire, that agency we were with just did not seem to care about listening to us about what we had and everything when we went with them a year or so before that. And so we thought we were truly covered, and we were underinsured on contents by at least $175,000. And so that's not a good thing. So always make sure you look at your auto policies and your homeowners, but compare apples to apples. If you have several insurance agencies that you want to get quotes from and they send you that information, make sure if this one is just for easy math, $500,000 is replacement cost for your house, that it's $500,000 over here, all your limits and all of that, and what it covers. Does it cover the whole roof being replaced if you had an issue that you needed insurance to make a claim or anything? Just make sure that everything's apples to apples and not apples to oranges coverages. Don't look at whoever the cheapest is. We've never done that. Never. We care about saving money, but still, we want to have really good insurance, especially if you need it. So for us, it was going to that $5,000 deductible, making sure that, we're not going to turn anything in unless it's major anyway. So just make sure that you go over every year with your insurance agent all of your coverages and what you are really needing and wanting out of the insurance. So now's a good time to do it, or whenever your policies renew. Ours are always in June, so that's next month. So I'll be going over everything again and calling them just to go over and make sure we are properly covered, and because everything's went up too, and with doing different renovations to the home and updates or whatever. And then eventually, when we get the garage built, we'll have to add that on too. So anytime you add anything to your home, or you've renovated something, or you add a detached garage or anything like that, you need to make sure that you're properly covered for that as well. So hopefully this has helped you today. If it has, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and share with your family and friends. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.